Hello everyone. Hello everyone. I want to show you a product I built called the Semantic Stream Engines, a fully local event-driven AI pipeline that processes real-world data in real time with zero API costs. With zero API costs. Instead of using hard-coding mock arrays, this system hooks directly into the live hacker's new stream. The integration producer continually pipes new decision into Apache Kafka. From there, and Python processes intercepts the stream, processes the raw text into Llama 3.2, running locally on my machine via the Ollama, and extracts structured semantic summaries and semantic tags. Everything is written. Everything is written to PostgreSQL and loaded onto the live auto refreshing dashboard. Refreshing dashboard. One of the biggest engineering wins here was tuning Kafka station timeouts and pull intervals to handle the high latency of LLM interference without triggering customers' eviction storms. The entire pipeline is self-contained and highly reactive. Let me show you what you think. Check my video for the nations. We have the Postgres and we have the Kafka. We have the total items captured, the positive post, the negative post, and the neutral discussions. The negative posts are more than the neutral and positive. These are the latest live hackers news insights. We have seen